All right, gang. So I hope everyone have a good weekend. We're back to trading. New week, new ER week. We're looking decent in my opinion. So let's see what we got in the market for some calendar economic data. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so tomorrow we got PMI at 9:45, which is good after the bell. ISM services, Fed speak. Wait, not a Fed speaker, sorry, President. Mostly TV appearance. Yeah, he's speaking. Fed speaker, technically. Atlanta Fed president, another one. All right, so not that bad. So we should get some normal price action after 9:45, in my opinion. Um, Another heavy ER week. I think we got all the big names out the way, though, in my opinion. Amazon, Meta, Tesla, Netflix, like the FANGs or the Super Six. We got Jobs King 36. All right. So we should get some good price action, in my opinion. We got possible white soldiers building on both Qs and SPY, not the prettiest. So I'm bullish going into tomorrow still. Um, we had a weird sell-off of data on Friday, and the market just completely reversed and went bullish. So bulls are still in control, so we could get another rip. SPY could hit 500 tomorrow, maybe, in my opinion. So look out for 500 calls on possibly a 493 area bounce. Or let me see how it looks on the 15. I think you would get a nice bounce entry, in my opinion, around here. 492.70, almost 493. So those are the two areas I'll look for to see if we get a bounce. Yeah, resistance area around here, support of this candle. Um, Let me delete this alert because that's not valid. It could get another area of support over here, and then another one here. So if you want to mark those levels, that's perfectly fine as well. But I'm bullish. I'm bullish on SPY, bullish on the Qs as well. Qs just breaking this resistance area. So once Qs breaks that, it should be good to go. So 85 crack, 430 should be a good area to go long. Bounce wise, you'll have to probably be around here for a bounce if you want to try to get a bounce area. That's the top of these candles. Some of these, about three of these, in my opinion. So right here, around the top of those candles, all right? So, all right, so that's 428. All right, not bad. Well, bullish. Okay. Apple, let's talk about Apple. Talk about Meta rep. So can't be bearish really, right? Guessing guy, people's looking for a pullback bounce on Meta. My opinion will be 470 on Meta for a bounce. I think 470 was a good area of bounce on Meta if you're trying to continue going along. Let me see. 477 maybe? Yep, 470. So around here, around 470. Like will be the entry for longs in my opinion. Bullish on Meta, not weak about it, of course, because that they had. Woof, Apple, what a reversal. Damn, Apple. Yeah, funny though, this don't look that strong with it. So Apple has to crack above here to be good. 188.65. 188.65 is above the 21, the 50. Not above, actually, it's above the 50. This but the 21 and the 9 is basically colliding all in one sequence. So once it cracks that, I think we're good to go at least to almost 191. So could be good for Apple. This looks shaky, but candle is ridiculously strong. Amazon was another strong one on Friday off of ER, Netflix, Google, Microsoft, Tesla. Man, yeah, Amazon was crazy, so don't expect much move on it except for a bounce, in my opinion. So where we could bounce at, I'll say around here, 169.40 or 170 calls if you can afford it. Okay, almost the base of the candle. Okay, actually is the base of the candle. So Netflix is trading in a tight channel. Doesn't look like it wants to drop. No, actually, it does look like it wants to drop. It looks a little heavy, guys. I'll be honest. Not a lot of strength in those bear bull candles. I will watch this area, 15 cents. Um, this is a double top, lower high. This is the first high. This is the second lower high. The flush down to the 20. I mean, sorry, to the 9, which is what's 150, 55, 160 area. So heavy on Netflix, Microsoft, Google. Okay, so Microsoft looks strong still. RSI underneath with the upside move and the Mac. So yeah, I'll watch it above here, 45 cents. But try to go to what? What's this? 415, not bad. Oh, nice hammer candle on Google off the 50. So break a resistance around this part. This is nice resistance area on Google, 143.50 area. So we could break that. Let's say 144.10, 15, let's do 15. 144.15 for longs. I think that's a good one. I like that strong candle on Friday off all that downside. So Netflix, the only bear one in my opinion. Let's go to Tesla. And that's it. We'll get to some names. Double bottom, nice on Tesla right here, guys. I mean, some of y'all already long, which was
Let's go.
a rerun from last week. Yeah, what's up, bro? So Tesla looks good, man. It don't look like we already crossed up, it's still up. I like the Mac. The Bears getting weaker. Kathy Woods bowed in again, so we could get it one more ripper. But remember we took profit within. I think it was the next day, so be careful once it gets around. Let me see. Let me delete this alert because it's not valid. That was prior days. So I would say for those who are in the Tesla calls, start I'll say 192, around 192. I should go to 192 in my opinion. That's when you start considering if you want to hold it or not. Overall, you might be able to hold it because this is the second leg on the daily, on the double bottom. So you might be able to hold it. Maybe trying to break the 9, but it's up to you. It depends how deep you are or how many cons. So, but it was a great entry on Friday, man. Great entry from the bottom. All right, let's talk some names. I ran down through all of them. Let's go. All right. So I'm looking at ARM. I don't got that much, I'll be honest, guys. See, see, we could focus on very few. So we got ARM. I like the demand is in on the month. And we got Amber. Okay, Arm and Amber, both with A's. All right. So Arm on the daily, what we got, right? We've been having a sell-off, right, for a good almost 2 weeks, right? We only have one green candle almost within 2 weeks of Arm. The bears are obviously getting weaker off the daily candles, almost doji reversal type. They have earnings, so could be a little, they could rip earnings because the chart's saying they obviously making some type of money that keeps going up. So I want to watch ARM around here, guys. 73.15 for the longs. All right. So we got AMBA, demand buy. We got, this is definitely a demand area. AMBA right here. I could count it. One, two, three, four. Fourth touch, green candle, almost a reversal, RDR almost, red dog reversal type going on. So we could definitely watch AMBA around 53.10, I think, in my opinion. Wait for confirmation because we are deep still. So just wait for that to happen. Let me see what we got next on the list. Twilio, Twilio, Twilio. Right, what we got, Twilio, what we got. All right, nice respecting 50 day. Respecting the 50. Well, look what's happening here. Doesn't want to go under. Kind of repeating it right here. This is the second bounce clearly off the 50. So we could definitely take that gamble to go upside. This looks good. MACD, not too friendly, but it could start changing tints by tomorrow. So I'm gonna take it above my VP line. It should be what, 71.85. Let's do 85. They have earnings when? Next week, right? How about next week? What's this? Oh, I didn't put a different dash. Stupid dash. All right, dash. So what are we looking on dash? All right. So simple break above that green candles. Like I said last time, that is a green candle on resistance. So chances are dash could definitely break it. It's not a bear candle. So I will watch 110.75 zone. For longs, RSI looks good. This is a green one on the Mac, so Dash looks good for upside action. And it's a bounce clearly off the 21 daily, as you can see. Even though Friday put in a wick right above it. But shows that buyers want to bring it up more. So expecting the 21 on the daily. We got Carvana, potential breakout to the upside if we get above the 21, in my opinion. So watch this area, 45.30. This looks good, RSI. RSI looks good and MAC looks good. They both look good. So if we get above the 50, 21, and 9, yeah, we should go higher in my opinion. This bounce is actually off the top of this price level on this little trend that I had on that week. So next, hog. Let's check out hog. Check out Uber. Okay, hog. Nice spot. Bollinger Band here. Yeah. Oh, we got like a golden cross happening on hog. Hog might be one. And there's a trend line break on the downside. Yeah. Gotta wait for a clear crack above 85 cents for the 35 calls. They have earnings though, keep in mind. But yeah, everything looks good to go. Golden little cross here, VWAP 21, 50, 200, everything. Uber looks ready to go higher, non-stop. They have earnings too, keep in mind, on Wednesday, so you have time to play it and get out. Um, yeah, we could go higher on Uber. Uber's been a juggernaut lately. Um, What we got? What we got?
Hey, yo, Cam, I noticed there's no more volume profile left on Uber. What typically happens when there's no volume profile left? Like, it's just gonna rip.
Yeah, it's gonna probably just recreate. It might start creating pre-market tomorrow, so tomorrow morning might be a good time to watch it. But yeah, there's no more, so it's like how high? But I believe.
Uh,
Hold on, let me see something on Uber. Hold on, I want to look at the. I think IPO is still like I remember IPO day. Hold on, daily. I'm sorry, trying to see. This is not that. Yeah, there isn't. You're right. Let me see. It was higher than this. Yeah, right. Or am I bugging? Hold up. Okay, yeah, it was. Think over here. Oh no. Wait a minute. Sorry, I know this looks crazy on my screen. 1 second. Oh shit. It actually is at the highest highs.
this is the end.
Yeah, this is the highest highs. I mean, usually when stocks approaching this high, you get a little $3 to $4, maybe $5 pop from the highs. So that's why I'm like, we could go higher. I mean, one, and this is not a weak ass candle on the daily. So yeah, I think ER could rip it like ridiculously, in my opinion. Yeah, watch out. I think we could go 70, maybe a little higher, and ER's on one pre-market or after hours. Great. It don't even tell me. All right. Okay. So yeah, I like it. I think we definitely gonna see Uber higher after ER, 100%. Let's see what happens. So I'll take like 72 calls to risk it. Maybe it's not expensive. Um, I spoke about hog. All right. Uber's fire. All right. eBay. Maybe a little sympathy off of Amazonian. Um, Victoria don't tell nobody. All right. Oh, eBay definitely looks nice. We got a little ugly head and shoulder building here. This would be the head in my opinion. This would be the first shoulder, and this is maybe the next shoulder belt to go higher. I like this 4210 break. We look good here and here, so it looks like we got to get above the 50, obviously, right? Because you've seen Thursday and Friday it couldn't break it, so that's why my alert is high in there. So crack that, we could go to the 200. Let's go. Nice little macro try testing over here. If we get on these levels, Victoria's Secret. Okay, I'll watch it around here to see if it's real. I'll do 2015, 2815. Valentine's Day around the corner. This looks bull flag rip on our side. Nice. And increased MAC. Yeah, this looks bullish. Retail. I have a couple retail names that look interesting. We got Nike, got the check. Nike. Should have got in Friday, in my opinion, but whatever. We could be patient. So we looking for a 4-day reversal, possibly, right? Right here, what is it? 102.40 crack. Pause. See if it holds this level. There's a buy area on Nike. And is resistance. Uh, yeah, resistance over here and kind of resistance here. And it's support over here too. Yeah, I think Nike can bounce off. Nike is not a bad company. They should not be getting smacked like this. Uh, Nike under 100, a buy to me, especially equity wise. Okay. Um, GPS, Gap. So we got Macy's. Macy looks nice. So yeah, it already made a higher low. This was a swing low that bounced off this resistance gap up, right? Off the 50 wick too. Nice. Now it's making a higher low with the RSI in compliance. So everything looks good. I'll wait till we get above this 80 mark. I'll do 80 cents. 80 cents. Gap almost similar, but a double bottom type of pattern on gap, right? Or you could just draw your trend off the gap up right here. There's a trend line, right? Respecting it to the T. Nice little trend line here. We got third touch break to go out. They already kind of cracked here, so yeah, this looks good to go. Retail might have a rip tomorrow, guys. Be careful on retail. So gap above 20.05 should be good. Looks good, it looks good. And value profile line is increased up here, so the buyers like it up there. I mean, but let me see if we get in before 20. Yep, that's better. I'll do 95. All right. So we got DKS. Yo, we haven't heard about TKS in a hot minute.
Cap, bro.
Mhm. This is a pricey one, WTW. What is top? Oh, DKS. Okay. It's breaking out of a nice trend here. They're already broke, man. Friday was the entry. Let me see what's the bounce entry. We're gonna take some from Friday. Let me see what we could take from Friday. The bounce entry will definitely be right here. 155 to 225. Resistance on this one. And that's bounce pivot build. Bullfrag break here. All right, so I like that one. This one I never played, but it looks good. It kind of looks like if we already cracked out of a trend line to the downside. Yep. And we got one, like 4 touches already. So I think once it gets to this, yep, that's a good level. 90 cents mark with that. They got earnings after pre-market Thursday. So you got time to play this and get out. This looks super strong. Yeah, this looks fire. This looks fire, bro. This should print. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so next. I think I'm almost done. Mm, yep, I got three more. We got SYRS. Never heard, never played this one. Don't let's see what that looks like. And we got CVS and one more. That's it. Okay, this is a small account friendly. All right, this looks good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Third crack of resistance possible. We got front one, two, third approaching. I will watch 795 break. Small account friendly. R size already showing bullish divergence. Mac looks good too. Double bottom too. Yeah. So CVS, they got earnings, right? All right. So I want to see what happens when CVS gets to around here. 72. Let's do 72.70 mark to see if we could reverse and bounce off this wick around this candle bottom closed right here. And there's another wick right here. So if that happens, if we get that green candle, that's the higher low from this low. So potential reverse into ER, in my opinion. And I'm only thinking that because this MAC is getting weaker. So, and they already been on a downside. So a nice little turn on reverse. And I'm gonna continue watching DraftKings because it did have a nice move on Friday. Yeah, just not strong. It was just slow grinder to the upside. And I'll go through any names y'all wanted me to run through before I let go. Yeah, I'll wait for a bounce on DraftKings around here, 41.30. Yeah. All right, gang. Any names y'all want me to talk about? Thank you.
I was looking at QCOM daily. It could be a reverse raw dog reversal on the daily, and it's bouncing off the 50 on the daily post earnings Friday.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it looks good.
I had the same one, Clap.
No,
Same reasons.
it looks like Twilio as well, since it's bouncing off the 50.
Yeah, looks good. Yeah, I like it. Nice 50-day hold. That's definitely buy area. All right. Any other ones? Any other ones?
We matched up on a lot, Cam. I had eBay, I had
Okay.
Carvana,
Okay.
had GPS, Qualcomm with at Clap. But here's two. Check out Roku and Jemiah.
Oh, I actually forgot one. Let me talk about Jemiah and Roku. I forgot one. I got Harmel on the list, bro.
Okay, nice. Still got that fucking swing, man.
Roku.
Had 3 weeks on it.
Okay. Ooh, Jimmy. Wow.
Yeah, it looks like
Jemima's witnesses are going strong.
so it looks like it's ready, man. It's ready to do a swing.
Roku looks like a nice bull flag hold off the break here. Look, it's just
Yeah.
trading higher.
It
Yeah.
looks more day trade Roku, but Jemiah
Yeah,
looks
more day.
swingy.
Yeah. Yeah, I like Jimmy a lot, bro. A nice little volume on Friday.
Jimmy.
Um, yeah, I don't know where you trying to get in at. Let's see. Um, I guess around the lows of this candle, top of this
Yeah,
candle, this the
that
top of this bounce area here.
green.
Yeah, I'll put it around here if we could. See what happens.
8 hours at 315.
Hourly's at 315.
The eight, yeah, the eight on the hourly's at about 315 right now.
So top of this candle.
And it looks like there's a couple levels of
Yeah,
at
over here.
315.
No matter of
The
fact,
ideal level is at 311 though that you're talking about, 310.
yeah, I'll put it around here to see if you get in. Um, Roku above what? 9260? Uh, 92. Yeah, 9260 could definitely send it to 93 easily.
Nice.
Yeah, for sure, all the way to 94. Let me see. Let me do 65. And let me talk about harm HRL and then we'll
Nice.
work because HRL looks like now it's a go for sure. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, maybe wait a minute. So after wait, I don't know if it's real. Hold on. Because after hours it says it's something else. Hold on. $31.07. It says it broke to 21 already. So that's why I'm gonna see if this is real. So I'm gonna wait for 31.10. It says
Uh,
after it was at 31.07. I don't know if it's real.
Hell yeah.
So if that's real, then yeah, it's ready. It's gonna go higher for sure. So just go for 32 calls. Yeah. Yeah, 32. 32 should be good. And
Nice.
if I mean it makes sense. This is a double bottom, clear as day. So it should if that holds, then yeah, the move makes sense. Hopefully it does. Um, one more sneaker. Let me throw in a side play that I've been watching since Friday. I was gonna get in Friday. I'm not gonna lie. Data Dow break over here. It looks good on everything. So Data Dog, I'll add to the list with y'all. All right, that's it. I don't got nothing else. All right, gang. That's it. Yeah, that's all I got. It's not bad. We
Wrong,
Thank
Cam.
you, Bucky.
Thanks,
You're
man.
welcome. You're welcome. So the ones that
Appreciate
we matched up on names, then I guess those are the ones we could have a high watch on. So,
Yeah. Yeah. The eBay, Carvana,
mm-hmm.
GPS.
Mm-hmm.
Those are three. And I like these AMD and NVIDIA, like, I don't know if they're 21 on the hourly or 21 on the daily. Let me look at them.
All right.
Yeah, AMD 21 on the hourly
Yeah.
bounces. Look really good. AMD and NVIDIA.
Let me look at Soxel too.
I mean, 21 on NVIDIA is way down there, but those look very interesting. AMD looks like a nicer 21-day bounce. It's right on a pivot too, so.
Hmm. Yeah, damn, Andy. What a fire trend they have.
Nice. Yeah, Soxel just bounced off the 21 daily.
Oh,
Yeah, very
that's
That
bullish.
Yeah,
makes
chips look
sense.
good to continue. Qualcomm
Yeah.
might be the flagger.
They've been carrying the market, man.
Yep.
They've been
I think
Yeah.
carrying.
Qualcomm's behind everybody, so you could catch a day two on Qualcomm possibly, while
Yeah,
everybody else is already ahead.
swing them runners, bro. Swing them runners. A fucking 50-day on the. It's like a 50-day bounce.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Qualcomm 2 days back to back on the 50-day, so
Yeah.
that's a high probability setup in my opinion.
Yeah.
let's get it. All right, we got some ERs, so we're gonna have some fun this week.
Hell
Good.
yeah. Let's get it.
All right,
All
gang.
right, gang. Talk to you in a few hours.
All
I
right.
appreciate it, guys.
All
Thanks.
All right.
gang. Have a
See
good
y'all in 12 hours. Best.
one.
All right, besties.